Hello, this is Tudor from Prokuria, and in this short video, I will showcase how to respond to an RFQ as a supplier. Once the RFQ is published, suppliers will receive an invitation email, which I will show you right now. This is how the invitation email looks like. It contains the name of the RFQ and the intro section that the buyer is provided. As a supplier, to access the RFQ response page, you should select the View option. This will redirect you to a secure response page. First, you have to agree with the terms and conditions, and next you have to select Continue. Now, you should select Participate. Right after selecting Participate, you can begin to fill in the RFQ. First, we have again the intro section provided by the buyers, including the attachments that suppliers can download. Moving on to the Items section, here is where we have all our items that the buyers would like us to send our prices for. In this case, this is an RFQ for cables, and it is divided into 3 different tabs or 3 different categories. We are going to focus on the cables tab, and here we have the option to input our prices manually, or we have the option to import them from a file. Since there are quite a lot of items, I'm going to show you how to import your prices from a file. We have to select here the Add from File option. Next, we have to download the existing records template to input our prices in there. I already have my prices filled in the file, so I'm just going to show you how simple it is to upload it from the document. You simply need to select Add Items, and all the unit prices will be updated. For this RFQ, the buyer enabled the Not All Items Are Mandatory option, and this means that suppliers can submit their responses without filling in the unit price for each item. For instance, in this tab, if you only want to fill in the price for one specific item, you can do that without filling the rest. Moving on to the questions section, in this RFQ cables example, the buyer decided to add one question, and it is related to the delivery regions. In this case, suppliers can simply select the relevant regions. This is a multiple choice question, and they can also upload a document. To easily communicate with the buyer straight from the RFQ response page, suppliers can choose the Send Message option, and they can chat with the buyers in real time. Also, instead of only typing, they can also attach a file to their message, to be more specific. Once they select the Send option, the buyer will be notified via email, and they will also be notified in their account. Once the buyer replies to the supplier's message, suppliers will also be notified in the RFQ response page and also via email. After submitting their prices, the last step for the supplier is to select Submit Response, and the buyer will be notified that their response was sent. This has been a short overview on how to respond to an RFQ as a supplier. Thank you. Have a great day.